Notion iPro app. The pros, the cons. Notion iPro app isn't just a note-taking tool, but most people get this wrong. It's a productivity powerhouse that combines iAssistance with project management and knowledge organization. The surprising truth is how much it can automate tasks, generate content, and organize workflows in one workspace. One major pro is AI-assisted content creation. Notion AI can draft meeting notes, summarize documents, generate ideas, and even create checklists or project outlines. This saves teams hours of repetitive work while keeping everything structured. Another advantage is seamless integration with Notion Pages. You can embed AI directly into your workspace, linking notes, projects, databases, and tasks. This makes collaboration smoother, as everyone can access AI-generated content without leaving the platform. However, there are cons. The AI can occasionally generate generic or inaccurate content, requiring human review. Pricing can be steep for larger teams, and some users find the learning curve high for advanced database or workflow setups. In conclusion, Notion iPro app is ideal for teams looking to combine project management, documentation, and AI productivity in a single platform. Its content generation and automation are game-changing, though users should verify AI outputs and be prepared for initial setup challenges.